Welcome to the DrawLine and Polygon tutorial on Visual Basics. On this two-part video, we will be learning the methods for the syntax on both the drawlines and polygons. Let us start with drawline. What is a line? A line is a thing marked across 2 points. And a point consists of two values in the Cartesian plane represented by x and y. Here's an example of a line and its 2 points. The first value is x, as you can see, and it represents the horizontal value, and the second is y, that represents the vertical value. For example, the first point you can see that x has a value of 10 and y a value of 20, and in the second point x has a value of 70 and y a value of 20. And this is how it should look. The method for drawline syntax. This is the actual syntax we use in Visual Basics. Now the parameters. Pen is to it gives you the option to pick any color. The first x and y are the starting points, and the second x and y are the finishing points. Now let's go with polygons. What is a polygon? A polygon is a plane figure with a minimum of 3 straight sides or angles. Here are different angles or polygons. The method for the polygon syntax. Now, in this case I'll be doing a triangle, so we will use 3 points. Here you can see the actual syntax. And as you can see, instead of writing all 3 points in the Pull Draw Polygon pen, you see that in the dim I wrote the 3 points and I grouped them and I named them connectors. So when I did the final syntax part, I just wrote the group name connector. Now the first point is x value of 40 and y with a value of 30. And the second point, x is valued with 70 and y with 60. And the third point, x is 10 and y is 60. No need for the fourth point because it automatically will close itself. And as you can see, that is how it should look. Well, this is the end of part 1 of this video. If you want to learn how to program with the syntax on the actual Visual Basic program, then you should look for the second part. Well, thank you for your attention.